how you can send emails on your Outlook app. This is fairly simple. So before that, if you're new to our channel, just go down below, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so you'd get notified when we release our new videos and you don't miss it. So let's just start. First, open up your Outlook. After you open your Outlook, there you'll see the new mail option right below. Just tap on new mail, and there you will see you'll have to add a receiver's email. I'll just add my account's name. Now after you add your account's name, just go ahead and enter a subject. Now here you'll be able to just type in your messages on your email and just tap on send. And as you can see right below there, it says mail is sent, and that is how you send emails on your Outlook app. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.